What is an SR-1 form? Have you ever been in a car accident and wondered what steps to take next? One important document you may need is the SR-1 form. This form, officially known as the Report of Traffic Accident Occurring in California, is a requirement under California law. It must be submitted to the Department of Motor Vehicles when certain conditions are met after an accident. So, when exactly do you need to file this form? If someone is injured in the accident, no matter how minor the injury, you must file it. If there is a fatality, that also triggers the requirement. Additionally, if property damage exceeds $1,000, the SR-1 form must be submitted. This rule applies to all accidents occurring anywhere in California, including private properties like driveways or parking lots. It is essential to note that this requirement applies to all drivers involved in the accident. It does not matter who was at fault, whether the driver has valid insurance, or if a police report was filed. Even if your insurance company has been notified, you still need to submit the SR-1 form to the DMV within 10 days of the accident. Now, who is responsible for filing this form? The driver involved in the accident is primarily responsible. However, if the driver is unable to file due to injury or other reasons, someone else can submit the form on their behalf. This could be an insurance agent, a legal representative, or even a police officer. What happens if you fail to file the SR-1 form when required? Not filing can lead to penalties, including the suspension of your driver's license and vehicle registration. The DMV uses the information from the SR-1 to track accidents and ensure compliance with insurance and licensing laws. There are exceptions to filing the SR-1 form. If the property damage is less than $1,000, or if the accident occurred on private property without any injuries or fatalities, you do not need to file the form. From an auto insurance perspective, the SR-1 form is critical. It officially notifies the DMV of an accident involving injury or significant property damage. This report can be used to verify claims, assess liability, and ensure that drivers meet state insurance requirements. Insurance companies may also request a copy of the SR-1 from when processing claims related to the accident. In summary, the SR-1 form is a mandatory report in California that must be filed with the DMV within 10 days of an accident resulting in injury, death, or property damage over $1,000. It plays an important role in managing auto insurance liability and accident reporting in the state.